Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know you guys can't make it to the hairstylist or the hairdresser all the time. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I retwist my own hair whenever I'm in a rush or I can't make it to the stylist. So the first thing that I do is start off in the back. I grab some hair, put a little lock gel on it, and really pull it to it get as straight as possible. I'm going to go ahead and twist it. I always twist mine clockwise because I'm left-handed. It really doesn't matter. But what I do is leave like a little hair out. I don't twist my hair all the way down because that creates friction and breaks your hair off. So it's still fresh, but I still have some of the loose hair, the new growth, still out. I also have to connect two or three of my dreads sometimes because my hair sometimes thin out, very rarely, but I still want to get a stronger foundation, so I'll twist some together sometimes. It's okay to join your locks. There's nothing wrong with it. You can never go wrong with joining your locks. I'm going to do this all over my head. I am twisting them together in 2 strands to keep them from coming down because I don't have any rubber bands right now. I actually had to run to the store to go get some, but this little 2 strand helps it stay in place. So here's just a quicker look at 2 dreads being really thin, and I joined them together. You can see the foundation is still kind of small, so we know for sure the foundation on those dreads were way too small. So if you want to do this when your hair is still in a short stage or when your dreads are longer, it really doesn't make a difference. Just as long as you have a strong foundation, join those dreads together if you have to. This one has a pretty good foundation. I am palm rolling these all the way down only because I'm joining these together. The ones that are single should not be palm rolled all the way down. You should definitely leave that little fuzzy part out, the new growth, like I said, to allow it to lock up on its own instead of having to twist it, creating the friction, making your dreads thinner. One thing I do want you guys also to take note is I'm not putting a lot of product on my hair, making my hair like super slippery or wet or greasy. It's just a dab of the product so you can get it to lay down and come together. This process took my hair less than an hour, about 20-30 minutes, so it's really quickly. If you have even shorter dreads, just get that twist down pat. Thank you so much, ladies and fellas, for tuning in. Check out some of my other videos teaching about dreads. I have a few makeup tutorials as well. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think.